Do you need something playful to get more productive? Then today we have prepared an interesting comparison between two popular applications, Obsidian and Logseq. While Obsidian and Logseq have some things in common, especially when it comes to security features, their functionality differs based on user needs. Obsidian is ideal if you want to customize and add extra functionality to your note taking experience, but Logseq has better options for outlining and journals. Obsidian is a free note taking application which can be complemented by paid services. The core program will remain free in personal use, but Obsidian Sync was updated in 2026 and now standard costs $5 per month with 10 gigabytes vault, while Plus is priced at $10 per month with 100 gigabytes. Obsidian published pricing is $10 per website per month on annual billing. Obsidian uses standard Markdown files saved locally on your device. The program boasts amazing privacy features such as end to end encryption, detailed version control, and superb performance on Windows, Macs, Linux, iOS, and Android devices. Thanks to that, the folder based app ensures that you are completely in control of your information even without a subscription. Logseq is an open source outlining application centered around block notes, daily journaling, and task management. The app in the year 2026 has switched completely to database version. This means the app no longer relies strictly on local Markdown files but uses a highly permanent local database for enhanced searching and stability. Though the main application is free to use, Logseq in 2026 has also launched a new Logseq Sync feature priced at just $5 per month, aimed explicitly at handling block collaboration and multi device synchronization better than third party cloud folders. For people who like complete control over all aspects of their workspace, Obsidian is the obvious choice here. The software itself is extremely modular and flexible. With more than 2,000 plugins available in the 2026 market, Obsidian can be made everything from a basic diary all the way up to complex project management system. Official services offered by Obsidian aim towards local first security solutions. But if you need something more structured, less driven, and if doing tasks and writing daily journals feels natural to you, Logseq is a better option. The daily notes workflow is at the core of this application, and the block level properties make searching through your information a lot simpler, not requiring any advanced configurations. Nonetheless, there are several ways to replicate these features using the data view or tasks extension in Obsidian, making the initial installation complicated but giving you greater flexibility as a user. Which one to choose? In almost all cases, Obsidian will provide you with the safest way to build up your digital brain and integrate a broad range of extensions while keeping everything stable. If you like outlining more than customization, however, Logseq is a better choice. In any case, both of these applications will give you the necessary independence from third parties by allowing you to keep your information stored in your device. Feel free to test both options on a smaller scale and see which one suits your approach better. Comment below which one you choose and don't forget to subscribe for more technology comparisons.